You search for how to buy shares of Aflac Inc. Aflac is a U.S. insurance company focused on supplemental health and life coverage, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AFL. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy AFL, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker AFL to find the listing. Select the result that matches Aflac Inc. to be sure you have the correct stock. Open the Aflac Inc. asset page to view basic company information and the live price chart. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ ticker AFL to ensure this is the right asset. Click Invest or Trade. Choose the amount you want to buy and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your Aflac position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. A link to the example broker is in the description below.